Welcome back to The Takeout. Thanks for hanging out with us. Supreme Court Justices Elena Kagan and Amy Coney Barrett on Capitol Hill today, urging Congress to boost security funding for the High Court. Here was Justice Barrett on the threat environment.
Around the time of the Dobbs leak, my security detail sent me home with a bulletproof vest, and I carried it into my house, put it into my bedroom, dropped it down on a table, turned around, and my 12-year-old son was standing in the doorway of my bedroom, and he wanted to know what it was and why I had it, and I didn't know how to respond.
CBS News Chief Legal Correspondent Jan Crawford joins us now. Quick refresher to the audience. The Dobbs leak is reference to a leaked opinion in the Dobbs case, which had implications to overturn Roe versus Wade. That's not the only thing that's created a difficult security environment for justices, but it's near the top of the list.
Well, I mean, it's Justice Kagan, obviously the liberal justice, and you had Justice Barrett, the conservative. As Justice Kagan pointed out, that's when we really saw just kind of this explosion of threats targeting the justices, particularly the conservative justices. Remember, Justice Brett Kavanaugh and his family are really, I think, lucky to be alive. The man charged and convicted of attempted assassination now is in prison. He traveled here from California. So that
wanted to break in, kidnap them, and kill them.
And he was found at the back of Kavanaugh's home in Maryland with a bag full of tools of death, as the court put it. But that really led to like this incredibly heightened threat environment for the justices. They obviously get 24/7 security now, but they need even more security because in that threat environment, we've only seen threats now increase. As Justice Kagan said, again, 38% increased threats this year after a 27% increase last year. And the thing that's happening, Major, is that, yes, conservative justices came under attack after the leak of the Dobbs decision in 2022. But you're getting it now from both sides. I thought both of the justices really did a really compelling job talking about how it's the political rhetoric on the left and the right. They wouldn't point to anyone in particular. Of course, some of the senators and representatives tried to draw that out, and they were like, no, it's both sides, and that's where we are today. And it's not obviously just Supreme Court justices, it's lower court judges as well.
And this is for the court itself, but as they also move about the country.
That's correct, for their travel and at their homes. I mean, so they're going to be they already have 24/7 protection. And this isn't how it was. I mean, that was you played, obviously, I think, the most compelling part of the hearing when Justice Barrett was talking about how it's affected her personally. I mean, your kid comes in there and goes, oh, wow, Mom, what's this? And then you have to say, like, why do you have to wear it? Yeah. Right. But, also when Justice Kagan was talking about how things had changed since she joined the court in 2010, when they could just drive around themselves, no security needed. Now it's constant around the clock, and they say they need more. They're asking for $14.6 million more.
Jan Crawford, thank you so very, very much.